The Tech21 Evo check case for the Galaxy S9 Plus. As you can see, I have the lilac purple and the black one here. Let me take this blue thing off. Don't know what this is. Tech21 Evo check protects drop after drop, contains flex shock, and check this out, 12-foot drop protection, ultra thin, comes with a lifetime warranty, etc. Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, designed for Samsung in the official font, so you know this case is legit. Flip it over in the back, some more information about the case, so you can just pause the video and check that out. So let's just get into the case. Got this tray right here, slides out, and this is the case. Very nice. Put that to the side. Check out the case itself. Now this is a TPU material, and there's that flex shock material on the border of the case. See if I can zoom in a little bit. Let the light hit it so you can see it on the inside of the case right here. Goes all the way around the case. So when you drop your phone, usually you hit the corner. That flex shock material will protect your device. Now on the inside, you have this checkered pattern here. I can feel it with my finger. Flip it over in the back. This back part is smooth. Tech21 branding down here. You have your raised buttons here for the power, raised buttons for your volume rocker and Bixby, cutouts, microphone cutout. Then you have your massive cutouts for your dual camera, fingerprint scanner, etc. All right, so let's put this case on the phone. Which one should I start with? I'm gonna go ahead and start out with the lilac purple. So let's do this right now. Case is on. So from the front, case is black, so it blends in a little bit better with the phone. Okay, flip it over and look at that. Very nice. If you guys like the lilac purple, but don't necessarily like how flashy it is, you can get the lilac purple, right? And then put a case like this on this phone, and this is the result that you have. It kind of darkens the purple, and it's not as flashy. Now, depending on how the light hits it, you can still see it through the case. See that right there? The reflection of the lilac purple. If you want to tone down the lilac purple a little bit, this is one way that you can do that. Very nice. With a little bit of color depending on how the light hits it. Grip in the hand feels really good. The cutouts, perfect. Now these Tech21 cases, they kind of, some of them sag in the middle a little bit, and I'm looking at this one right now, and there's a tiny bit of sag right here, but it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. This one, I'm cool with this. This is fine. Check out the button tactility, power button. There you go. Nice and clicky. Now it's a little bit hard. You have to put in a little bit more pressure, but after time, this button will break in. It'll feel better over time. Okay. And that's just from my experience with Tech21 cases. Same thing with the volume rocker. Check it out. Yeah. Actually, the volume rocker's not too bad. And then Bixby. This button shouldn't really matter because nobody will use Bixby. You do get a little bit of a lip. So you lay this phone flat on the table. Glass should not touch the surface. So let's go ahead and put this case on the black phone. This is the black one. Let's see. Put this on real fast. Boom, boom. And here you go. From the front, looks the same. And then you flip it over and look at that. Nice and dark, very stealth. This looks good too. Not as flashy as the purple one, but this looks good as well. Personally, I don't know. I think I like this a little bit better. Nice and dark. Once you go black, you ain't going back. There you go. Very nice. So if you guys are interested, I'll put a link in the description down below to this case. Here you go. Thanks for watching. Peace out.